that time again for the July Look Fantastic box. Let's see what we've got. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you are all doing fabulous today. So like I said, today's video, this is the July Look Fantastic box. So opening the box up, we have lots of advertisements. Let's get rid of them. Oh, and another one. So we have the QR code here. We will scan that and have a look at the edit card. On the front of it right here, it says that this edit is called Beat the Heat. There is a quick sneak peek for you. But let's get straight on into this to see exactly what we've got. If you are interested to subscribe to this box yourself, I will pop a link down below in the information box and a code, and if you use that you'll get £5 off your first box. This is £15 per month, so your first box will become £10, but the longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it gets per month. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. I have uploaded my weight loss video. I will link it up top there, so if you want to give it a click and go and have a look. Food wise, I mention how I lose weight. I don't go into too much detail about the food. In the next weight loss video, I certainly will go into a bit more detail about the food. And I'm thinking about doing maybe a few videos of what I eat in a day type of thing, possibly. And I'm thinking of possibly doing either 2 weekly or monthly updates. I'm probably leaning towards the monthly update, but yeah, let's get back into this box. Let's scan the code. So the first product we have in the box, you can get one of 2 items. So you can either get something from the brand called Ameliorite, and it's Transforming Body Lotion, which is 50 mils, and it has a worth of £9.90. Or you can get what I've got, which is this. This is by the brand Aveeno, and it's Skin Relief Body Oil Spray, 200 mils, a full size product, whereas the other one's a deluxe product. But this has a value of £9.50, so very similar in price, which is really good to see. And it just says this oil-based spray that intensely moisturises very dry, sensitive skin, allowing you to enjoy smooth, even skin during the summer. The fast absorbing formula with a silky finish helps to revive and repair dry skin from the first application by providing long-lasting moisturisation whilst improving skin elasticity and uneven skin texture. That sounds actually really cool. I've got combination skin all over my body, not just on my face, but yeah, all over my body. So yes, I do get dry patches here and there, so this is definitely going to come in very useful, especially this type of weather. I get really dry shins. No idea why, but I do. Oh my god, that smells absolutely freaking gorgeous. I shouldn't even be testing this out, but I kind of have to now because it smells so good. Oh, be careful with that oil, because I've literally just shot off over there, but never mind. But this is what it looks like there. Certainly feels very oily. Wow, I put way too much on. Wow, that was enough for my whole arm. But yeah. Oh, look at that glow. It does massage into the skin very nicely, and that scent is amazing. Yeah, very happy. What did I do with the lid? There it is. Put it on there quick. Yeah, I'm happy I got this and not the other product. Definitely. Second product in the box, again, could possibly be one of 2 products. So by the same brand this time, and the brand is This Works. So the first product you could get is a deep sleep pillow spray, which is a full size at 10 mils. It has a worth of £12. Or you can get the Morning Expert Wake Up Spray, 10 mils, which is a deluxe size. again worth £12, and I do have the Morning Expert one, which I'm really glad about because I have loads of pillow sprays, especially by this brand. So it just says, this new motion activated aromatherapy spray has been created through brain imagining studies that is proven to help sharpen focus and boost morning motivation. Yes, this is going to come in very handy if it boosts me in the morning, because I get up at 4 o'clock every morning, so we'll see if it works. Scented with peppermint, lavender and rosemary, it helps to energize and improve alertness for the day ahead. If you want to create productive habits to transform your morning routine and make the most of the light summer mornings, then look no further. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah, that is nice. Oh, that's very nice. And just spraying it on my skin there, I can feel that it's very cooling. Definitely very, very cooling. Oh yeah, I really like that. I like that better than the pillow spray, the sleep pillow spray. Yeah, nice. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Brushworks, and it's a powder puff duo. It has a value of £5.99, and this is a full-size product, so really affordable. Create airbrush skin with ease using these TikTok trending powder puffs. Ideal for loose powder application, the triangular sponges offer long-lasting, flawless-looking results. A smaller sponge can reach into more intricate areas of the face, such as setting powder under the eyes. Featuring a handy pointed tip, the larger sponge is perfect for buffing and visibly smoothing the skin. I've been wanting to try out these powder puffs for ages. Not by this brand, there's another brand on TikTok that's more popular that I can't remember the name of, because I'm that hip and with it. I'm trying to get into this and it won't open. But yes, it's not by the brand that I wanted, but there can't be much of a muchness there. There must be practically the same thing. So yeah, here is the big one. I don't mean to stick my 2 fingers up there, you're sorry. And yeah, this is the smaller one. Very, very cute. That feels lovely and soft as well on the skin. Ooh, I love it. I can't wait to try that out. And I love the colour. Love, love, love the colour. Brushworks is a really nice affordable brand as well, must say that. Fourth item in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Lottie London, and it is a translucent setting powder, 5 grams. It's a deluxe size and has a value of £3.95. And it just says, achieve a picture perfect complexion with your next go-to cosmetics discovery. A lightweight finishing powder designed to flawlessly set your makeup in one place. Blending easily into the skin, the translucent face powder helps to control shine and minimise the appearance of pores, whilst targeting oily T-zone area for a long-lasting matte finish. I like how they've put this in with the spongy things. Yeah, I really like that's a nice little touch how they've done that. Again, a nice affordable brand in the box. Lottie London do some really, really nice makeup. I can't wait. I love testing out setting powders, so I can't wait to see what that one's like. It's really nice to get a different product by Lottie London, because normally it's that blusher that goes round every single time. So yeah, really, really happy to get the setting powder. The fifth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand First Aid Beauty. And this is facial radiance pads, a deluxe size where you get 10 in here. Has a value of £7. It says, reveal a fresh complexion in one easy swipe with these facial pads that contain glycolic and lactic acids to effectively exfoliate, tone and brighten the skin. These gentle pads are suitable for all skin types and provide a smooth canvas for a flawless makeup application. Cucumber and Indian gooseberry help tone skin, while lemon peel and licorice root leave the complexion looking bright and glowing. Okay, I'm not really into wipes. I haven't used wipes in such a long time now. I feel like I'm taking a step back with the whole wipe situation. But I'm not going to waste them. I will use them and see how we get on with them. But yeah, I don't know. Sixth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Avant Skincare, and this is Reconstructing Keratin Complex Ultra Shine Hair Cream. Did we receive that in another box? A different beauty box last month? Yes, we did. I can't remember which beauty box it was, but yes, we did. So now I have 2 of these. It just says this has a value of £17. It's a deluxe size at 25 mils. Nourish your trestles in the height of the summer with this extra hydrating hair cream. The lightweight yet sumptuous hair treatment works to minimise the look of split ends and frizz, encouraging enviable shine and gloss. Backed by science, a unique hair constructing formula utilises sea algae to promote the look of thicker, bouncier trestles. Aloe vera assists with soothing irritation, offering a cooling sensation that helps to lessen the appearance of dandruff. Yeah, cool. Really glad to get it. It's just a shame that I've already received it in last month's box. As it so happens, I haven't had time to test the other one out yet. But yeah, if I like it and it's good, I've got 2, isn't it? So that is all that is on the edit card, but we do have a little free product in the box. It's a little perfume by Lancome. Let's have a little smell. I love perfumes. Just a little wee tester one. Oh, that spray is lush. Came out lovely and fine. Oh, nice. It's strong but not overpowering. It has a really deep, lush smell. That is very nice indeed. Oh yeah. Guys, so this is the July Look Fantastic box. Beat the Heat edit. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a great little box. I really do. That oil feels amazing, absolutely amazing. Really like that, and love the size of it as well. It's huge. The wakey up spray thing, yeah, that is very cooling on the skin, so it kind of goes with the Beat the Heat theme. The Brushworks powder puffy thing, that is well cool because I get very shiny. You can tell it's the end of the day because look how shiny I am. And yeah, how it was teamed up with a setting powder. I don't know about the wipes. Like I said before, I feel like I'm taking a step back. I haven't used wipes in ages, but just me. And yeah, just love how we got an Avant hair product. It's just a shame, like I say, I received this in a different beauty box last month. But hopefully I find that it's good, and yeah, if it is good, then I've got 2. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with the box, to be honest. Definitely gets a thumbs up. What do you think? Comment down below with your thoughts. Again, if you are interested and you want to subscribe to this box, the link and everything you need down below is there. Give it a click. You'll get £5 off your first box, making it £10. It's normally £15. The longer you subscribe, the cheaper it gets per month as well. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.